Welcome to Painted Kids Studio, where we make amazing art videos. Hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you can be notified every time we post a new art video. Hello friends, Miss Kate here for our lesson of the day. Today we are doing another cupcake animal. So we did, I think it was a couple weeks ago, we did the cat, and this week I'm trying to do a bunny and a cupcake and a puppy and a cupcake. So to start our bunny and a cupcake, I like to start with the cupcake wrapper. So to make the cupcake wrapper, I start with like two slightly angled lines. So they're not straight up and down, but they're not like completely tipped over. They're like just slightly angled. This is gonna be the side of the wrapper. So we need the bottom of the wrapper next. That's just gonna be like a slight curve. And then after you have the bottom on there, we need to do the top of the wrapper. So cupcake wrappers have a little ruffled edge. So I just do some little swoopies like that. And then after we have that top, to make the little folds in the wrapper, I just draw lines from every swoop. From the peak of every swoop, I draw a line down to the bottom of my cupcake wrapper. And then after we have our cupcake wrapper done, we need to put our cake inside. So we're only gonna see a little peek of that cake before we see the icing. So this is the cake. This is like the vanilla cake or the chocolate cake. So we're seeing that little peak there. And then I'm gonna put some icing on top. So to put our cupcake icing on, I just do like a slightly wavy line like that, connecting the two sides of the cake. And then after I have the bottom of the icing there, we're gonna go ahead and build up a lot of icing on our cupcake. So the way we start that is the first layer is gonna go like this. It's gonna be like a curve. A letter C, kind of like this. That's layer one of our icing. Layer two. And then if you want, you can put a cherry on top. I think today I'm just gonna do like a swirl of icing. So if you wanted to, like I said, you could put like a candy or a swirl on top. I'm gonna go ahead and do a little swirl of icing. And then you guys can decorate your icing on your cupcake if you want. I know some people like sprinkles on their cupcake, so if you want to decorate this, you can. But I'm gonna go ahead and move on to my bunny's face. So I want my bunny to look like it's kind of creeping up behind this cupcake, and it's kind of like got its hands perched on the icing, like it's about ready to like eat it. So I'm gonna start with the bunny's face. So the bunny's face is like a letter U, but I'm gonna have it kind of like hiding behind this cupcake. So you're not gonna see the bottom of the U because it's gonna be back here behind this icing. And then the most important part of bunnies is you gotta get those big bunny ears, like that. And here's the other side. Big bunny ear, like that. And then we can connect them. And I always, when I'm doing bunnies, I always like to put the pinky middle on my ears, like that. And to do the bunny's face, I always start with a little dash, and then I put a little letter V underneath, because they have a little upside down triangle nose. And then I do my swoopy, whoopy mouth. And then I always have to do my big cutie eyes. So they're really big eyes, and then I just add some sparkles in there, like this, and then I color in between my sparkles. Big cutie eyes. And then with bunnies, I always like to add a couple whiskers. Like that. All right, so we've got our bunny face done. Now we need to add our bunny's hands. So like I said before, the bunny is creeping up on this cupcake. I want the bunny's paws to be on the icing. So I'm gonna draw a little C, like a little curve on that side of the icing, and a little curve on that side of the icing. And then I'm gonna put a couple dashes to indicate the bunny's paws. So now you can tell that these are paws because those are the little finger lines. Now we're ready for the body of the bunny. So I'm gonna start up here on the face, and I'm gonna swoop down around and crash into the cupcake. And then we're gonna see just like a hint of the bunny's paws, like the back paw here. So I'm gonna do like a little curve, that's the bunny's foot, and another curve up like that, that's the bunny's like knee, like the back leg. And then bunnies have a little cottontail, so a little fluffy ball for their tail, like that. And there you have it. You have your bunny in a cupcake. You guys can go ahead and draw whatever background you want on this. This also is a fun one to color in unique colors. You don't need like a white bunny or a gray bunny. It could be any color that you want. Sometimes I will do like maybe a purple bunny. That'd be kind of cute. So you could do like your bunny like really colorful, fun colors. It does not have to be a white or gray or brown bunny. It could be any color. One thing I do like to do though when I'm doing bunnies is I do like to have, and here I got my pink color pencil ready, I do like to have like a little pink nose, and I like to have pink on the inside of my bunny's ears. So those are two places where even if you're doing like a gray bunny or a white bunny, I still like to do these couple areas with pink. And then of course your cupcake can be any color that you want. So when I'm doing cupcakes, I usually do really bright colors for the icing and the wrapper. But for the cake, usually cake is like either chocolate or vanilla. So for this cake part, which is like the part that's like underneath the icing but above the wrapper, I'm gonna do mine chocolate. But if you wanted yours vanilla, I would just do like a really light yellow color to make like a vanilla cake kind of, or even a yellow cake color. But then the icing and the wrapper, they could be rainbow colors. They'd be any colors that you want. So like, I think I might do like pink icing. Mine's like, I love that. It's really cute. So yeah, you guys have so much fun. Be creative. Color these unique colors and add lots of details. And you can color the backgrounds too. Figure out where you want your bunny to be. You can draw anything you want in the background. Thank you so much for joining me today. I miss all my friends at the studio and at school, but I hope that you are getting your art in every day. I will be posting another lesson tomorrow at 1 p.m., so I hope to draw with you soon.